here, and today's video is all about self-love. Love self-love. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe. Yes, girl, subscribe. And also turn on notifications as well. And my earrings are from Fitting Style. Definitely check it out at the link below. Yes, girl. Okay, let's get right into it. Oh yeah, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. Don't stop TikTok. The plane is trying to mess with my vibe, so I apologize, but we still cool, right? We still cool? Alright, cool. So today's video is all about self-love, girl, because self-love is the most important love besides God's love. Self-love is the most important love, girl. 2 things that will help you love yourself. 1, this is my favorite one. Well, they're both my fave now, but this one used to be my most favorite one. 1 is don't compare yourself to anybody else. I think comparison is the thief of joy, and you cannot allow yourself to get robbed. I did not come up with that quote. It is somebody's quote. Google it and you will find the author. I can't remember it right now, but I absolutely think it's important for you to not compare yourself to other people, because we're all uniquely created so differently that it is impossible. It is impossible for you to feel like you're winning looking the way that you look by comparing yourself to somebody else. If you want to talk about money and you're a millionaire, once you compare yourself to Oprah, you might get mad about the blessings of millions that you've been blessed with, because Oprah got billions of dollars. Understand that we are all uniquely created by God, so there's absolutely no way for you to naturally have something that somebody else has. Like, we all have our own different things, and honestly, I think that's what makes everybody super cool. I think everybody is super cool and super dope because everybody is so different. There's always going to be somebody out there who's different from you. So what is the point of comparing? Don't compare yourself to anyone, because that does not help you win in life, girl. Second way, okay, so I can't take credit for this way because I didn't come up with it. My girl Danielle, she told me about this therapist that told her, or told a friend of hers. This is such a somebody told somebody that told somebody that told somebody. But she told me about this therapist that said have a crush on yourself. And I think that is the most beautiful way to say love yourself. Have a crush on yourself. You know how when you have a crush on somebody, you're super kind to them, you're so nice to them? Why is it that we're so mean with ourselves? It shouldn't be that hard for us to be kinder with ourselves, be gentle with ourselves. And it does not mean that you're perfect. No, check yourself when you're doing something wrong. Always check yourself, but always do it with love with yourself. Don't yell at yourself. Do it with love. Be honest with yourself about what you're wrong about. Yo, when Danielle told me that, I was like, I almost fell out. That was the best ever. Like, now it's hard. Because to me, don't compare yourself is like the best way of really learning to love yourself, by not comparing yourself to other people. But having a crush on yourself, girl, having a crush on yourself is like the best now. Like, duh. Crush on you, boo. Crush on you. Okay, so those are the 2 ways to learn to love yourself. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you. God loves you. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know how you've learned to love yourself. Let me know if you're struggling with self-love, and let me know how you've been overcoming that. Alrighty. Bye, girl.